Think about all the earphones you've ever had. If you're like me, you've gone through a lot and it's frustrating. They're uncomfortable, they don't fit well, and they fall out of your ears. The reason is simple. Our ears are as unique as our fingerprints, and custom-fit earphones are the solution. They're designed for you, so they fit perfectly every time. But there hasn't been a quick and affordable way to get them until now. Say hello to Revols, the world's first quick, custom-fit Bluetooth earphones. Guided by our app, you simply put the earphones in and let the gel-filled tips take the natural shape of your ears. By pressing the start button, you trigger the magic. The molding process activates, transforming the gel tips to their permanently hardened, customized shape. We've designed...
Wait, it's that easy?
Yes, it's that easy. We've designed Revols to fit you and your lifestyle. Our sports skins add an extra layer of protection and personality. But to truly deliver great earphones, the sound must be as perfect as the fit. And so we've partnered with Onkyo, pioneers in high-end audio technology. We're working with their team of acoustic engineers to deliver world-class audio and craft the ultimate listening experience. The custom fit provides enhanced passive noise isolation, allowing listeners to escape from their surroundings and enjoy every detail of their music at safer volumes. But for times when you don't want complete isolation, we've created the Revols adjustable soundscape. It's your very own volume control for the outside world. Revols have 8 hours of reliable playtime, and with the Revive battery pack, you'll get an additional 6 hours of comfortable use. And if ever you want to charge while listening, simply connect your earphones to the cable, sit back, relax, and enjoy.
Frustrated at the time and cost involved in alternative custom fit methods, Dan and I were determined to create a solution that brought this revolutionary fitting technology to everyone. A pair of earphones that fit perfectly, delivering the unparalleled comfort and sound we've all been searching for.
Music gives a soul to the universe, wings to the mind, flight to the imagination, and life to every... Having a soundtrack to your life shouldn't be so hard. You want to take your music with you wherever you go, ready when you need it. You want to feel every beat and experience every note, crisp and clear. With Nextear, you can. Nextear are the world's smallest wireless earphones, complete with a multi-purpose rechargeable storage case. Nextear is 2 ultra-small in-ear wireless devices that pair with any Bluetooth smart device to play studio-quality music hassle-free. It has an integrated lithium-ion rechargeable battery, which lasts for 4 hours continuous playback. It recharges super fast, so you can go back to listening to your music quicker. Nextear comes with an ultra-slimline design case that acts as a built-in storage and charging bay for the earphones. It has an integrated lithium-ion rechargeable battery, which recharges the earphones up to 4 times per charge, as well as being able to charge your mobile phone. It features a built-in LED light, 16GB flash memory to store photos, videos, documents, and music, built-in mail connectors so you can connect to an iPhone, Android, and USB without the need of a cable, and a keyring hook. Its small size means that you can have your earphones by your side ready for every moment. The freedom of no wires gives you the freedom of sharing, to take your music with you wherever you go, to feel every beat and experience every note.
You've got the hottest new iPhone 7.
Damn, this phone is so amazing. I love it. Oh my god. You've got the latest iPhone 7, but you cannot charge your iPhone and listen to music at the same time. ILDOCK, a specially designed adapter for iPhone. With it, listening to music while charging your iPhone 7 is no longer a problem. ILDOCK Plus provides you with amazing features like an SD card slot, a TF card slot, and USB ports.
Here, check out these photos.
Wow, that's a really great photo.
Yeah, I think so too. Do you want them though? They don't just have to be on here.
Oh, really? How?
I'll show you. Just gotta take out the card, put it in here. Make sure it's firm. This is your phone. Go to photos.
and boom.
Wow, that's amazing.
Just like that. Pretty easy, right?
Yeah, super cool.
ILDOCK is compact and durable. You can take it wherever you go.
Hello Kickstarter, I'm Tim. A couple of years ago I was in bed trying to get to sleep after a busy day, and I realised just how much of my life I wasted trying to get to sleep. On trains, on planes, in festivals and in my own bed. I wanted a natural way to help myself get to sleep better that fit in my busy lifestyle and didn't involve drugs or earplugs. This inspired me to create Kokoon, the world's first sleep-sensing headphone that helps you relax and sleep better anytime, anywhere. Audio is one of the most effective ways of helping us relax and switch off naturally. Whilst normal headphones get uncomfortable and hot, our patented comfort technology keeps the Kokoons cool and comfortable, even in bed. Kokoon accurately tracks how deeply you are sleeping, using its EEG sensors. It then uses this information to adjust your audio as you fall asleep. This ensures your audio doesn't wake you and is better tuned to block out external disturbances. We realised that to ensure we had a quality product, we would need truly world-class audio. Kokoon's partnership with OnCube ensures that the high-definition Bluetooth audio sounds fantastic, making these great everyday headphones as well. We all have a natural sleep cycle. An alarm clock will wake you up regardless of when's best for you. Kokoon's intelligent alarm identifies the perfect time for you, so you can start the day feeling alert and refreshed. The EEG sensors and app give unparalleled accuracy and insight into your sleep, helping you track and improve your sleep over time. Kokoon's packed down to the size of a book, the perfect travel companion. Just press play and relax. Kokoon is the perfect peaceful escape, wherever you are.
Hi, I'm Rich. I started working on the Kokoons with Tim nearly 2 years ago, and since then we've assembled an award-winning team of engineers, designers and sleep scientists. From our early basic designs, we iterated through hundreds of prototypes, testing and refining until we arrived at the Kokoon. The team have been out in China for the past 4 months, working with factories to ensure that our design has no compromise and we can ship a quality product on time to our backers. We are thrilled to be making the Kokoon's clinical-grade EEG sensing data open to developers, hobbyists and academics. For the enthusiasts amongst us, we've also been working on dedicated sleep hacking, binaural beats and lucid dreaming apps taking advantage of the unparalleled accuracy and audio feedback within Kokoon.
Imagine how far we've come in the technological development for electronics. Isn't it weird though how we always plug things into cords at some point? Companies talk about true wireless solutions but never seem to live up to their promise. True is the future. We at Truu think it's time to truly cut the cord. And this is the beginning of the new era. True wireless earbuds that charge wirelessly. I'm gonna let the rest of the Truu team give you all the details.
The minimalistic design of Truu is attractive, functional and hassle-free. They are constructed so that all types of ears feel comfortable wearing them. The round shape and lines give the product an ever-changing and unique look.
When it comes to sound quality, it really doesn't get any better than the balanced armature technology applied in the Truu earbuds. The Bluetooth 4.0 technology does not only make it fast and easy to connect to your smartphone, it also minimizes the impact on sound quality and is less power demanding than conventional Bluetooth equipment. The earbuds are activated by separating the magnetic connection between the two earbuds and ready for pairing when holding one of the buttons down.
We wanted the charger to be an interior design item that could be placed anywhere in your home. Therefore, the Scandinavian wooden details felt natural for us. In the future, we believe that this will be a standardized generic charger for every household and for a wide range of technologies.
As a team of fairly active persons, important for us was to make the product wearable when performing sports. To get rid of all the dangling cords and heavy headphones was like a dream come true for us. Not only does the Truu earphones fit well in almost any shape of ear, it is also equipped with Comply foam tips, developed to remain in-ear no matter outer conditions and create a passive noise cancelling effect. If I would be appealing to venture capitalists now, I would be using terms such as bleeding edge technology or disruptive innovation or Scandinavian design.
Do any of your earbuds fall out sometimes? Or worse, have you ever felt that the wires from your earbuds were inconvenient especially when playing sports. Now you have an option.
Experience a purpose-driven audio and communication device inspired by the human body. We will once again discover sound.
My name is Benjamin Willis. I'm a co-founder here at Human, and we are all about a new era of human empowering technology. We are a group of the industry's best designers and engineers that have come together behind a vision to develop extraordinary products, and we're starting first with sound.
For decades, we've been placing bulky and obtrusive designs on our head. We've been wedging little pieces of plastic into our ear canal, and this step towards a more natural design, towards a design that encapsulates the ear to create a fuller and more protected sound, was to us inevitable.
Enjoy truly wireless listening. Buttonless listening. Pause. Play. On. Off. Experience touch. Control playback and features via numerous touch commands. Our core offering includes social. Multiple individuals can enjoy the same audio simultaneously. Fade. Activate Fade's ambient noise system to block out the world or engage it. Amplify. Simply place the ears together and enjoy a fuller sound that truly fills the room. 3 additional features are available to a limited number of beta testers. Active. Enjoy a complete suite of biometric monitoring functions. Speak. Speak with anyone, anywhere in live time with our advanced language translation software. Sleep. A design and rhythm that lulls you into REM and wakes you gently by alarm or playlist, all while tracking the quality of your sleep. Sound is made possible via a truly brilliant relationship between the human app and the hardware. Sound includes an induction charging pad. And sound accommodates all listeners with 4 sizes and a range of intentional and beautiful colors.
Hi everyone, thanks for checking out our Kickstarter campaign. We really appreciate it. I'm Scott Hinton, our company is Elwin, and our product is the Elwin Fit. Truly wireless earbuds that always fit and you don't have to remove them to charge. So we're a manufacturing company and we've literally made millions of headphones for other companies, but we decided to launch our own product because we wanted to address the 2 biggest issues in our field, and that is the fit and the battery life. And we think what we've come up with is pretty amazing. What really separates us is our patent-pending Infinity Band and our Fit for Life comfort guarantee. The Infinity Band is an innovative way to combat the #1 issue with wireless earbuds, the battery life. Our Infinity Band allows you to charge and listen at the same time. Who wants to recharge in the middle of a workout? We don't, so now you don't have to. Plug in the Infinity Band and keep listening while you charge. Next, we focused on giving you the most custom, comfortable, and secure fit possible. While most other earbud companies give you 3 or 4 ear tips, we include an industry-leading 48 different earbud comfort fit pieces with over 180 different combinations with every pair of L1 earbuds. We included a top-tier microphone for your phone calls. We use the most advanced CSR Bluetooth chipset in the world that includes CVC and aptX technology. We combine that with specially engineered 6mm microdynamic drivers. And in case you're worried about getting them wet during your workouts, we've encased everything in a tough, water-resistant exterior.
Music, the universal language of mankind. Some use it to relax, others to inspire. But no matter what kind, it's all energy. It drives us, fuels us, motivates us. When I hear music, I get locked in. I hear nothing else. I see nothing else. I fear nothing and no one. I am limitless. I am free. No wires, no limits. That's what we endeavor towards at Arado. To be more free. Over the last 3 months, we delivered over 20,000 units of our award-winning Apollo 7 earphones. And after listening to your feedback, we went back to the drawing board and created 2 brand new products. The Rio 3 is an earphone that is designed for people in motion. With every step, jump, or move, this earphone will stay put with absolute comfort and confidence. We've increased the battery life on the Rio so you can use it for 6 hours of high quality playback time or 8 hours of talk time. The Muse 5 is a smaller earphone that's perfect for anyone. With our patented fit seal sleeves and 9 different size combinations, you're gonna get a great fit. The Muse also comes with our special carrying case that charges your earphones while they're being stored so you'll never run out of battery life. With nano-coated technology for sweat and water resistance, built-in omnidirectional microphones, and amazing sound quality, the Rio and Muse are ready for wherever life takes you. Forbes magazine called our Apollo 7 earphones a revelation. And now we've built the Muse and the Rio with the same amazing wireless technology, but we made it affordable, really affordable.
The sound of life isn't a single track, it's a mix. A combination of what you choose to play and what's around you. It's awareness mixed with attitude. Countryside mixed with connection. Perseverance mixed with presence. Introducing Trex Titanium, revolutionary sport headphones with a completely open-ear design, built to deliver situational awareness, comfort, and an exceptional audio experience. With bone conduction technology, mini vibrations travel through your cheekbones directly to the inner ears, delivering dynamic stereo sound without covering or blocking them. The backbone of Trex lightweight design is a sweat-resistant titanium frame, an element chosen for its strength, durability, and flexibility, and is the key to its universal secure fit. These wireless open-ear headphones prioritize your safety, ensuring you're always aware of surroundings. Finally, a headphone experience where all the layers of your world, from your music to your moments, come together.
One of the real core values of our company has been to improve quality of life, and I believe that we successfully do that. And now with the introduction of the new Trex Titanium, really a radical departure from your traditional headphones, a true uncompromised product that we really believe will become the ultimate sports headphone.
Bone conduction headphones generates vibration, and the vibration is conducted through our facial bone into our inner ears.
For example, when I put these headphones on, and you see that they're sitting up here against my cheek, what's going to happen now is that music is going to start to vibrate. And that vibration is going to go through my cheekbone and then to my cochlea, which will allow me to listen to the music. We've built in a new technology into our headsets called Premium Pitch Plus. It allows us to create a listening environment that's on par with any of your earbuds.